Hi viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a fantastic crispy and flavor packed street food mashup, Papdi sandwich. It's got all the best part but in a fun handheld sandwich form. Let's prepare the recipe. For making this Papdi sandwich, instead of potatoes, I have taken sweet potatoes. First, in a bowl, add 2 spoons of finely chopped capsicum. On top of it, add 2 spoons of finely chopped onion. Add 1 spoon of peeled and finely chopped tomato. Next, we need to add 2 spoons of grated carrot. Next, we are going to add our star ingredient, boiled sweet potato. I have taken 30 grams of sweet potato. Before adding sweet potato into this mixture, sort the sweet potatoes in a pan by adding little oil and required salt. Later, add it into the mixture. On top of it, add 2 spoons of bundi, which is completely optional. Later, add 2 spoons of mint chutney. To prepare this mint chutney, I have taken handful of mint leaves, 1 green chilli and blend into a fine paste. Later add it to the mixture and mix well. For a tangy flavor, I am adding half spoon of lemon juice and half spoon of tomato ketchup. Mix well until all combine together. Now we have prepared our stuffing for Papdi sandwich. Set aside for 5 minutes and later spread this mixture equally on top of papdis. First, arrange the papdis in a plate and later spread the mixture on top of papdis. After spreading the mixture, close it with papdis. Decorate with a drizzle of sauce. And that's it. Papdi sandwich is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this unique and delicious street food fusion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. I have shared many recipes in this channel. I will provide the links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.